thon ri we mai goi na ta kan ni zen Rongmei ru rian khoi ta sa he ni zo sam lo da ko average. A batsman score 34, 36, 38, 40, 42 in his 5 innings respectively. Find the average runs in the 5 innings. Anh retire khâu average trong formula hay khâu này average to total sum cái này total number. Mới sai to average runs sai to okay. Average runs equal to total sum sai to 34 plus 36 plus 38 plus 40 plus 42 này thế còn total number total inning thì to 5 innings này so ko mới sai to 34 plus 36 है 70 này thế 38 plus 42 है 80 này thế 80 plus 40 sai to 120 thế 120 plus 70 sai to 190 này thế okay 190 divided by 5 này thế cũng sai to 5 3 15 5 8 40 38 answer thế option C so option thế ki ai chalo me shortcut khat nai dare mang som dei ran ma ko bo jalo ko right me number 34 thế kanai me number 36 thế tu so bo kanai increase thế kani 36 krin 38 ko me kanai increase thế 38 krin 34 ko me kanai increase thế 40 krin 42 kanai increase thế increase me kanai increase so sam da rap thế khorina ko nu to number ka sing de jaw da ko number kha kanai ka thom dai pungu number pungu the pungu sai to odd the mazai me hai mai mazai me 38 है कन्यू तो एवरेज तो आपने थे हम जो ऑप्शन सी है सो ऑप्शन थे और जालो को the average of the first and second of the three numbers is 10 more than the average of the second and third of these numbers. What is the difference between the first and the third of these three numbers? I to know first number, second number, and third number. So first number is A, and I like B. Second không है B là con thế third number is C ai là con thế comme to question đến sao mình thay lại nè rồi liang mình cái này to average thì है divided by 2 hay khom liang mình cái này to average thì không số 10 more 10 bu đại hiện này tụi em chúng ta số số A plus B minus C divided by 2 equal to 10 equal to minus B plus B ही cancel số A minus C divided by 2 equal to 10 cũng sẽ to A minus C equal to 10 into 2 equal to 20 này thế này right me number cái này khắp liang me number cái này tổng difference thế 20 này sẽ tổng thế muốn to option C so option thế còn giáo đó có the average weight of 24 students is 35 kg. If the weight of teacher is added, the average increase by 400 grams. What is the weight of teacher? Average weight giáo có average weight inside to total weight divided by total number or total students or students long Thailand students have the total weight है 35 kg này sai cũng sẽ total average weight है 35 kg này thế cũng số total weight है new time okay total weight है giáo lộc total weight tăng total students है 24 này sai cũng sẽ total weight है total weight equal to 35 plus 24 down the 35 plus 24 sai to 840 hinate 840 kg hinate हम sai to jalo देखो new total weight là 840 student không phải tổng sinh để thế tổng total weight để thế plus tạo thu teacher này cái giáo ấy sai không biết sai tôi giáo lộc không new average equal to new total weight divided by student sinh cái này teacher sinh để giáo lộc new average của cái thu question được sao rồi increase by 400 grams. Average is increased by 400 grams. तो थाउरे होना है ना तो 35 kg थे खनी बताओ तो 400 grams increase 400 grams increase weight है तो new total weight है new को खने को फॉर के लोग थे 840 plus t teacher ना थे कुछ student है 24 थे teacher है गंगा थे कुछ तो 35 kg ko na the khâu he ani zo lo khâu he kg na the khâu he gram na the kan he pa kriu nu tum ge ganai mina kg ko bam the kg ko bam cham da ham the gram ko bam the gram ko bam cham to kham de a khâu he kg ko ai gon pa ni the mai 400 grams se kg ko gon pa the 0.4 kg tap ni the mai sa to 840 plus t divided by 24 plus 125 na the karana 35.4 kg into 25 inside to 840 plus t na the 35.4 into 25 is to 885 na the 885 equal to 840 plus t, therefore teacher says to 885 minus 840 equal to 45 kg में है ओजापू तो weight थे मैं शायद option D है so मैं option थे और ज़ालो देखो the average of a batsman after 25 innings was 56 runs per innings. After 26 innings his average increased by 52 runs. Then find his score in 26 innings में 25 innings को है तो average है 56 runs nice है करना 26 तक में तो innings को तो जुट नहीं था तो है average है 9 बार में तक so 2 runs increase his average increased by 2 runs है में चल 2 लोगों में चल तो 58 को ना थे 58 runs ना थे 56 runs ना थे तो total तो जुट नहीं था नहीं तो total है तो average 56 का नहीं 25 multiplies लोगों 56 25 equal to 56 plus into 30 56 into 25 as you can 1400 runs cái thế này mới total cái này có thô giáo lo đó cô total sai cho tôi 58 into 26 as you can bên thà 1508 runs cái này thế này tôi khen nào cho ra cô 1400 lệ 1508 cái này tôi khen nào cho giáo cô cái này tôi khen nào है 108 runs buai mai he 26 tang mai innings ko mai scores lo mai sing the mai te question de than mai ko sai to option A he sum option te kharan jalo da ko Rohit Sharma scored some runs in 9 consecutive innings. He scored 10 runs in 10 innings and this increases average by 8 runs. What is the average of his runs at the end of 10 innings? Rohit Sharma sai pu hai ko mai 9 consecutive innings को मैं है score kan se to slow the मैं को तो average te chu so time ke anu ja hi pa ko average runs of 9 innings sai se to anu ka sing time ke x lo ko me sai to total runs se chu ne tha total runs sai se to 9x मैं 9x to with ya kai to sai to ko ja lo ko average runs equal to total runs divided by innings total innings को ना थे average runs है ये को x ना थे total runs था मगे total runs से लोगो total innings से तो को है 9 ना थे मैं तो 9x equal to total runs को कुम जाना को 9x से लोग तुंगे confuse lo gam ke khorina kmai ru tang me tong innings ko za ho in the 10th innings ru tang me inning ko to kmai he 100 scores slow we sai 100 runs score slow we sai kmai sai to average 10 innings ko za lo ko average of 10 innings sai to ka tong total score de to zu ni tha total score total runs ko hilo ko na total innings lo ko average of 10 innings sai to kala 9 innings ko to average te mai ko trina 8 this increase his average by 8 runs ko question kilo 8 runs increase we sai to 9 innings ko 9 ram te x te khorina plus 8 lo ko into to 10 innings to average kai the total runs sai to kla 9 innings ko hai 9x 9 kan the 9x runs 9 kan the kharina ko mai ru tang ko hai ko mai 100 plus lo sai 100 runs plus lo half qua laway sai total innings ta tao to 10 innings ta the to solve so ko 10x plus 80 equal to 9x plus 100 x equal to 20 này thế mấy 20 है 9 innings average of 9 innings है mấy sao tu question này sam to 10 inning tong phu ro sa tung de average ta mấy sao tu average of 10 innings equal to khâu hiện nay thế x plus 8 sai mấy sao tu x sai 20 này thế khâu 8 sai tu 28 है 28 runs है तो average runs stop में थे 10 innings तो मैं option D है so option थे मेरे ना लोई में शो करने थे video है guys शायद तो likes लो subscribe लो खाने shares लो तुमको थे